do this. I just love being out in nature, the sunlight, the fresh air, moving the body. It feels so good. And you know, if ever you're stressed out, I suggest you get your butt in nature. Got lovely birds over there, little chickadees. Such a gorgeous day. And yeah, if ever I'm stressed out or, you know, just going through anything, any hardships, I just try to push myself to get out in nature, go for a walk, go for a run, go for a bike ride. Just helps so much. Helps you gain clarity, and also helps to relieve stress, tension. So if you're experiencing anything like that, I suggest get your butt out in nature. Get some sunshine, vitamin D, oxygen, move your body. So important for our health. Beautiful bees. We're biking on the river. It's so nice. Let me just get off my bike here. This river goes on forever and it just keeps winding. And it's so sweet because to the left of me here is a skating rink that goes on and on and on. So it's just nice because you have a lane for the skaters and a lane for the bikers and walkers. And there's also people that are having fires all along the river. There's people that have huge hockey rinks. People are sleighing down the sides of the hills here, and it's just such a fun time. And I'm glad to see people are having fun and getting out in nature, getting out in the fresh air, and playing around, you know? That's what it's all about. It's just about having fun, having a good time. And that's what we're doing here today. So, got my fat bike, and I'm gonna show you some footage how far this river goes. I did 30K yesterday, so we're gonna keep going.